Next, if 1 0 of the polynomial fx equals to k square plus 4 into x square plus 13x plus 4k is the reciprocal of other, then k equals to, here 1 0 means what? One factor or root, whatever. So fx equals to k square plus 4 into x square plus 13x plus 4k. Now how many roots would be there to this? Only 2 roots. Why? Because highest degree is x square. Okay. So let the factors be or roots be or zeros be a and b. Now what is given? One of them is reciprocal of other. So a equals to 1 upon b. Okay. What is next? Now the equation of ax square plus bx plus c is always the sum of the factors is what we have seen in our earlier videos, minus b upon a, that is minus 13 upon k square plus 4, right? Okay. Next, a into b is what? C upon a. So 4k upon k square plus 4. Now remember, these two are the general means accepted rules or the proven rules. But a plus b equals to minus 13 upon k square plus 4, that is not required for our problem. We only require this because there is a multiplication, reciprocals. So a into b would be what? 1, because a equals to 1 upon b. Okay. So 1 equals to 4k upon k square plus 4. Solve this. Therefore k square, take k square plus 4 on this side, k square plus 4 equals to 4k, 4k on this side, k square minus 4k plus 4 equals to 0, or k minus 2 the whole square equals to 0, right? A square minus 2ab plus b square, a minus b the whole square. But k is a constant, therefore k minus 2 equals to 0, therefore k equals to 2, right? Okay. Next, length and